Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about overactive mind. Many of us have very overactive mind, and sometimes this mind is so overactive that we don't feel pleasant having a working mind. So in this video, let's try to understand what is it, how to deal with it, and what Ayurveda has to say about it. In Ayurveda, mind is known as manas, and it is something different from our body. It is sometimes we get very confused, like we are mind or we are body. So it's very important, like before focusing on our mind, first try to recognize like you are different, body is different and mind is different. In Ayurveda, it's been clearly said like your body is something else, your mind is something else and you are something else. And if we recognize ourselves as mind, it becomes very difficult like how to crawl out of mind and how to see like it is something else, like keeping a distance from the mind. Many times this happens like we have developed a pattern of overthinking, like we are thinking for something which is not needed, neither it will ever happen. It can be your imagination or it can be something that has happened in the past. This is the most common pattern in overthinking, like that we keep thinking about future or we keep thinking about past. Either we are imagining something or we are just recycling our memory, like this happened, that. These all works are related to mind, and this concept of overthinking, it is mostly related to future, that is imagination aspect of our mind. Actually these days our lifestyle is like this, like we are consuming a lot of information, especially from social media and from telephones, from TV, from newspaper, from books. So our mind is overfeeded with the thoughts, overfeeded with information and overloaded with information, and it is just information, we have no experience about it. And to some people this problem is to that extent that they can't sit free. Either they need something to do, either they need some newspaper, either they start writing something, either they start teaching some people, either they start teaching students, or they do one after another thing, but if you ask them to sit, they can't sit. This happens when you have overthinking mind, because this is nature of mind to get involved, either this, either here or there. And these days the one more very common pattern that is too much in fashion, that is multitasking, like I will do this also, multiple things at one time. But actually your mind can do only one thing at a time. If you pay attention, the nature of the mind is like this, it can do only one thing at a time. We can focus only at one thing. Though this focus is very quick, like we are focusing here, here and here, and we think like we are doing multitasking, like we are focusing on all the three things, but in actually if you pay attention, we are able to focus only in one thing. In Ayurveda, there is a very beautiful concept about mind, like its speed is so quick, it's so quick, like it is having very fast speed. So its speed is so quick, like we think like we are doing multitasking, but actually we are focusing only at one thing at one time. So this is a trick that we need to use to manage this overthinking mind. How we will do it? Give some time to studying. It's not all the time you keep studying. It's very important, even in students case also, in children case also, in adult case also, and youth case also, and even in old age. It's very important, give specific time for studying in a day. Give specific time for reading, give specific time for writing, give specific time for, like fix that time to attain some knowledge. Like if you are going to learn some knowledge gaining thing, then give some specific time to it. I am not saying don't read newspapers, don't read novels or anything. If you like them, you read it, but not all the time. Read in a specific, read for some time. Fix some time and read only in that. And fix some time to relax your mind. Relaxation of mind is very important. And for this relaxation also you need to train your mind how to relax. And the best way to relax your mind is doing nothing. When you will do nothing, it will relax, because that time it will get confused like what to do, there is nothing to do. And in that time you train your mind just to focus on your breath, just for 15 minutes, 20 minutes in a day. Make it a pattern, make it a arrangement, make it a habit, like you need to focus only on your breath, not on your thought, but only on your breath. This will relax your mind in a very big way. And what is the best time to do it? That is before sleeping. Before sleep, if you focus only your breath, you will see the quality of sleep is much higher. In the morning when you will get up, you will feel more fresh. And this overthinking, whenever you feel like you are suffering with overthinking, this focusing on breath technique will help you to relax your mind anytime, anywhere. Even in difficult situations like anger, anxiety, and even when we are dealing with some tough and difficult people. Many times it has been seen, many people have this pattern, like they analyze whatever they have done during the day at night, and at night they make all the plans like this, that, tomorrow I will do this, that. Actually, if you train your mind to do like this, then your mind will develop this habit of overthinking and overexertion, and then you will feel your body will remain tired all the time, and your mind will also remain tired all the time. Slowly boredom will catch you up, and slowly you will land into depression eventually, not immediately, but in couple of years. So it's very important, when it is sleep time, when our body needs proper rest, you help body to sleep to the deepest core, so that it will heal itself from within. It's very important. In addition to that, you try to avoid all those things which are vata aggravating, like excessive dry food. Like if the food is very dry, if the food is very canned, old food and processed food, all these kind of foods are vata aggravation. And whenever there is vata aggravation, means your mind will work like a clock, tick 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 tick, like this. So try to have more organic diet, try to have freshly cooked food, try to consume it within 3 hours of cooking. This way it will relax your mind in a very big way, and it will help you to sleep better and make your body healthy and active and joyful. So that's all for today's video. Make use of this breathing technique, give some time to yoga, pranayam. These are very beneficial techniques. If you have overthinking problem, try to focus on vata balancing diet. It will help you to calm your mind in a natural way. In addition to that, don't indulge in very much thrillers or too much mobile phones before sleep. Before sleep, just focus on your breath and be grateful for this life that God has given to you. I hope this tip will help you. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID, and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write to me on the comment section, and I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.